Hello, welcome back. I'm Bahasa from class 1LT. I'm a student from State Polytechnic Sriwijaya in Bahasa, majoring in electrical engineering. Today, I'm gonna tell you about how to measure electrical resistance with an analog multimeter. Tools and materials. We need, of course, an analog multimeter and a resistor. Alright, first step, you need to turn the switch in an analog multimeter. You need to turn this switch to a measurement of electrical resistance. Here, it means now your multimeter will measure the electrical resistance. Second, you need to choose the scale. The scale is start from 10,000 until 1. But if you don't know how large your electrical resistance in your resistor, you can start from the highest scale. Start from 10,000 and then you can reduce the measurement scale until it's perfect. Third, this is the most important part. You need to calibrate your multimeter every time you turn around the switch. Every scale has a different calibration, so you need to recalibrate it again every time you change it. If you not recalibrate your multimeter, the result you will get will not accurate. So you must recalibrate every time you change the scale. How to change the scale? Check this out. If you want to calibrate an analog multimeter to measure an electrical resistance, you can calibrate it by connecting the positive probe with a negative one. After that, you can see the pointer will move close to 0. Let's see. See, it's moved. The pointer will move. Now, you can see the pointer not in the 0. So, you need to adjust again. How to adjust it? This, an 0 ohm adjusting knob. Turn it until the pointer right at the 0. And done. You already recalibrate your multimeter. After you done calibrate your multimeter, you can start to measure your resistor. You can just point out the probe and connect it with resistor. You can see it's 0. That means you need to change the scale range. Change the scale range to maybe 100 ohm. And remember to always recalibrate every time you change the scale. See, it's just close to 0, but not right at the 0. So you need to recalibrate it again. Now, you can start measure again. Now you get the number. After connect the probe cable with the resistor, you can see the result here. The result is around 65. You just need to multiply it with the scale, 100 in here. So 65 times 100, that means this resistor have an electrical resistance around 6,500 ohm. That's the result. Alright, that's all. Very simple and easy to measure the electrical resistance in resistor, right? So, I hope this video will help you to measure an electrical resistance with an analog multimeter. Just remember, you need to recalibrate your multimeter every time you change the scale range. If you not recalibrate your multimeter after you change the scale, you will get the wrong result measurement. Pay attention to that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you.